Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I see a lot of people on the channel that seem to tell me they have issues in the install of the Patch Tuesday updates. Many of the comments were for Windows 10, but I see some that also comment about Windows 11. So I got a couple of questions today that popped up about, am I right to think there's a problem with the install of the Patch Tuesday updates for March 2025? Right now, looking at the different blog posts, I don't see a above average install issues. I do see that there are some people here that have had issues installing it, but I can't for now say that there is honestly a problem or higher than average issues and number of problems with the Patch Tuesday updates this month for now on. So here I've got it on all my systems and on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and all, and it installed correctly. So there's, I don't see any problems for now. One comment that I did see, and that happens from time to time, people are like, well, I started the updates and it's stuck at 0% download. I don't know what to do. Well, it's very simple. Just ignore. Do whatever you're doing. Go and use your PC. It's not a problem. It eventually will download. It can happen from time to time that depending on how these servers at Microsoft are busy and so on, and sometimes it could be connectivity issues just temporarily. If you look at updates and it's stuck at 0, just leave it alone. Do something else. Use your PC. You can use your PC while the updates are happening anyways. And eventually you'll see that it will download, install, and will have will ask you to restart. So there's really no problem there. It just, people, I say it all the time, people are too focused on the install process of Windows updates. You should not even be looking at that, because the problem with that is exactly if, there's a certain stress for some people that, well, it's stuck at 0, or I see it's installing stuck at 70%. What do I do? Leave it alone. It will unstuck at some point. But, if you look at it, it seems more of a problem because it seems to take forever. That's why, just let Windows Update do its thing, and at some point it will install. So if you have issues with the install process on Windows 10 or 11 for the Patch Tuesday updates that were released this week, please comment below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.